Okay, so I'm going to show you a little tip to put the rubber rail back on your pontoon. So I've seen some of the other videos and I found that, well, they didn't work for me. So I saw the one where you're supposed to put it in a hot tub of water and let it sit for 30 minutes. But the reality is this is so long, by the time I got, maybe a quarter of the way around, it had cooled off and the rubber wasn't workable anymore. I found someone say that a heat gun could work in a pinch for a small amount, but I actually found the heat gun was the fastest way to get the rubber railing back on. So I'm just going to show you how I'm doing it real quick, and maybe you can use this. So a couple of things that I'm using is a clamp like this, and so the purpose of this clamp is just to hold. You got big unwieldy pieces of rubber, so I just put it on the edge of my boat like so to hold it. So I hold that piece in place, and then I use this clamp over here once I put the bottom on. So what you want to do is, there's a lip on the underneath side on both sides. You put the bottom lip in all the way around so it's seated there. I'm going to do a real small section just for purposes of this, but you can do I've been working in about 5-foot sections. And so then once I get the bottom lip seated, I just go ahead and I clamp this right here, which holds this piece that I'm working with all in place. And so then what you do is you take your heat gun and a rubber mallet. You simply heat the top piece, give it a little bit, and then I hold the heat gun right behind the mallet. It just taps right in. A little more. Go back through and I just tap it to make sure that it's seated on there correctly. And it's that easy. I found this to be a lot quicker. I've done, I don't know, call it 40 feet in about 20 minutes as opposed to getting a tub set up and getting the hot water. So hopefully you find this tip useful and it works for you as well as it has for me.